Okay, today we got a cab high ranch model. It's 9907 Ford Super Duty with the 8-foot bed, blue in color. So it's in decent shape. Has a little bit of paint issues, but nothing really major. Top looks pretty good here. The top edge looks nice through here. You get into there, now you got a chip right there. Now the top does have some scratches on it. As you can see there, not sure what happened there, but it does have some scratches on the top. Now you can't see them when they're on the truck, when the truck cap's on the truck, but the top does have some scratches in it. Does have a half-side sliding window in the side. Front edge of this, it's pretty good shape. Now when you get to the bottom edge down here, here's where the paint issues are at. Just a lot of just paint chips, nothing really major, but the edge is just kind of has like paint chips pretty much all the way down through that edge. Some of that's just discoloration to probably buff out, and some of it, most of those are actual paint chips. This looks pretty good through here. Then you get back here to the back edge again, you're going to run into another spot. So a lot of that's discoloration that'll buff out, but most of that's probably going to be chips. Yeah, some of that'll come off, but there's chips in there as well. Front is picture window. Front edge and the front looks pretty good. There's a small chip right there. Let's have a small chip right there, scratch. But the rest of that looks pretty decent. Now you can see the scratches on the top. Go down here, there's a couple more on this side. They run full length, so I don't know if they closed the garage door on the truck, which I've seen happen before, or they went in or something that wasn't quite high enough, but it does go the full length of the top. But the sides look good. Way down through here, not seeing a lot of damage on this side. Looks really good over here. Looks good down through here. Same thing on this one as it did on the other side. You have some chips along that bottom edge. Not really sure, like I said, I'm not really sure what it is. Get down through the center, it looks really good. All the way down through here, and then we hit a couple more spots. Right there. And there. This side is actually a lot better shape than the other one is. And one small one there. Half side slider on this side as well. It does have the double T-handle locking rear doors. Inside is bare fiberglass. Screens are in good shape. Not seeing any holes in the screens here. Screens are good looking. Looks pretty white in here. Doesn't really appear that it leaks anywhere. The screen does have a hole right there. But that's really about it on the screens. Windows slide open. Wiring harness for the third brake light. You can see the scratches. The back corner edge, they're pretty deep right on the top, but they stop right at the edge, so. It's a cab high fiberglass ranch. Fits the 9907 Ford Super Duty with the 8-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, pay for it, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done through that link below. There's also a link below to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, wiring harnesses, truck cap wiring harnesses, those can all be purchased online below as well. As with all our tops, They are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up when you purchase them at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.